share ideas, special moments, music and dance, and showcase the very best of ourselves with love. Love is peace, and peace brings about prosperity. Let's celebrate.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola Oradugba, and today, well, not today actually, last week I was at the Art of Living Culture Festival. Hey my god, we had so much fun. And guess what guys, while seated at the Eco Hotel Conference Center, we traveled to Syria, we traveled down to India, we went to the north, we went to southeast, and we went to almost every part of Nigeria. I am sure you're excited already. Of course, because of time, I can't show you all the clips, but I bet you are going to enjoy everything I have in this video. I'm going to be showing you glimpses of everything. Everything that happened on that Sunday. So now let's get started.
Let's come together to celebrate and meditate, share ideas, special moments, music and dance, and to showcase the very best of ourselves with love. Love is peace, and peace brings about prosperity. Let's celebrate and meditate for peace and come together as one world family. Welcome to the Art of Living. Welcome to the Culture Festival. Welcome to Vibrant Africa, the rising rhythm.
dialogue when there are differences. And let us continue to appreciate our culture, which this World Cultural Festival has brought us to appreciate.
Now tonight, we are going to have a wonderful blend of music. Anybody love music here? Yeah. Anybody love dance? It's going to be an amazing bouquet of all of this. We have a choir, we have choral performances, we have traditional performances. We're going to be going north, south, east, west. We will take you to Syria via music. We will take you to India via music. Any Indians in the building? Yes, welcome. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Vibrant Africa, the rising rhythm. Can we get another big round of applause? Tonight, I will be singing. Don't tell anybody, I'll be singing a song later, but don't tell anybody. But tonight we're going to start with a very energetic performance. We brought them all the way from the cradle of civilization. Ladies and gentlemen, Ife is in the building tonight. As we welcome on stage our cultural drum ensemble. We call them the Rising Rhythm.
Went back to holding each other.
Yeah, don't leave my hand. Don't leave me.
Should we try? Come on,
This leg walk, but this not.
No for my hand. responsibility and work towards the betterment of the world. Over the last 40
we have to honor it and we have to pass it on to the next generation.
Round of applause. Chief Mrs. Nike Monica Okundai.
Welcome, ma'am.
Great human being.
You've given your life to the entire humanity. Please, I want you to give him a resounding round of applause. He deserves it.